cotton. Yes, it is ELS, purely ELS cotton, extra long staple cotton, which goes up to 35 mm.
Second point, promotion of ROU. Third point is fiber quality. Right.
Place your objective against these categories and then try to evaluate your objective.
For each activity, what is the material required, what has to be done, what are the questions to be posed. At the end of the session guide, points for discussion, what questions are to be posed to the participants. So that the learning activity, it increases them. It adds value to the learning activity.
The cycle of the training programs under the SCSN umbrella starts with the pre-season workshop before the start of the cotton season in the respective states with the local partners. And the main focus of this training program under the pre-season is to give informations to the core team of the local partners about the technical aspect of cotton production, plus the requirement of a better cotton initiative system and any new changes which has been brought in the system by the Better Cotton Initiative working body. This is the first step in this training cycle, which has been supported by different other training programs throughout the cotton season. The next step is basically the mid-season review and the end-season review with the local partners at the respective time cycle of the season. Apart from that, SCSN will be conducting focused training program on the production principles like water, soil, fiber quality with the local partners.
I would like to thank to SCSN team which is providing time to time such type of technical training programs, and this pre-season workshop is very fruitful for us, and we will go back to our project area and will conduct such type of training programs to educate our field teams, so we can bring the desired result by BCI.
And the training program conducted by SCSN experts right from the start of the program is excellent. They have covered all the principles, namely plant protection, water, soil, habitat, fiber quality and decent work. Every time they are covering one or two principles in detail.
You are providing us so many technical trainings like pre-season workshop, like mid-season workshop and end of season workshop. These are very informative. These are very meaningful workshops in which we are learnt a lot.
They are capable of building up our capacity, and this in turn helps us to teach our subordinate field officers so that they can teach the farmers concerned, and they are building up the capacity of the farmers. They are also having farm to farm contact. They are also having farmer to farmer discussion. Farmers participating in our staff trainings. That is one important item which is very helpful to us.
Conducted the pre-BCA workshop in Hyderabad is very helpful for us to do pre-plan, implementation plan to achieve the BCI goals, and this training will help our team to introduce all BCI changes in our projects.
They conducted a pre-season training program. It was very nice and very helpful to us. This I will carry it to our field, to our staff and our community. After going back to my project, I will conduct same training to our staff as well as LG members. This will benefit to our projects and programs also.
From the initiation of the BCI project, SCSN personally helps by educating us, by giving technical knowledge. SCSN conducting training programs in-house, on-field and exposure visits, by which we are getting technical know-how. After getting technical knowledge, we are disseminating the same knowledge to our BCI LG farmers, educating them and growing their capacity to implement the BCI activity in the field.
Since from the beginning, our complaints from LG is above 80%. This time definitely we are going to achieve 100%. With new techniques and new strategies.
This pre-season workshop is just a refreshment type of workshop. So we have recalled the BCI plan and activity, what we have to do. We are getting the new information, knowledge about the field. It is really helpful for the implementation program, the BCI. It also helps to implement the activity in other fields also. Because we are also working with other farmers, other crop also. So it can create a good knowledge bank for our team. And overall, periodically SCSN arranging the program, it gives us updating of the new knowledge, information. Earlier we had working with the organic and fair trade program, but in these programs there was some constraint, there was some limitation of program. They are restricting certain things, but BCI is a very open program. It's a knowledge-based program, provide information to on the wider scale, and ultimately the farmer has to adopt the right thing and implement the field level. It helps a lot to improvement of their productivity, profitability, and efficient use of resources.
This 2 days pre-season training program help us by getting more clarity on the subjects and the implementation of the BCI changes in our field. Along with this training programs, SCSN conducting season-specific monitoring and reviews as a mid-season review program and end-of-season review program.
Global award, that is international award, SCSN received. So we are very thankful to be with them, to be associated with them, because their guidance, their instigation for the success of the program in the project area is purely owned by them. They are the owners for the success.
Today we had a pre-season workshop wherein the core team members of all the local partners attended, and it was a 2-day workshop in Hyderabad. So the core team members were briefed on the changes in the new BCI system and the regular activities that they need to be doing in the BCI program, and also some of the technical stuff. So similarly, in future we still have plans of having a separate workshop on the water management, the soil health management, on the fiber quality, and also on the decent work issues. So as a responsible implementing partner of the BCI program, SCSN has all such activities embedded in its curriculum. Apart from the training of the core team, the SCSN, as a SCSN consultant, we also work with the other field level staff of the projects, and we also train the other field level staff of the projects who are directly working at the ground level. We still go one step ahead and also attend or take part in the programs at the farmer level, wherein the field level workers who have been trained by the project staff are doing the real field work. So SCSN has spread its reach from the farmers to the core team. So with all these efforts, we can proudly say that we have a very good reputation and a very good compliance level in the BCI evaluation and all.